Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off startup apps in Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter msconfig, open the utility. In this window, go to the tab, Services, check the box, Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all and then click Apply. After this, you must go to the tab, Startup, click on the line, Open Task Manager. Here, choose each app that starts with the system, and when you select it, click on Disable. Do this with the ones you want. Close this window. Back in the System Configuration window in Services, click on Enable All. Click on Apply, and when you close this window, you can click on Exit without restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.